I'm in trouble. Mayday.
Ahmedabad Arot Kosonsi Air India plane Klopuplo. Ahmedabad along Air India ke Kloahut 270 amunit atum apran damik juilo. Laso a plane ke Kloahut inut bet amunit apran ke jok ikke.
The aircraft catch fire before you came out?
Yes, little bit fire. After me, I'm out. Then blast.
So, did anybody help you, or you after that you came out on your own? How did you jump from the aircraft?
I'm not jumping. I just walk out in it. Then ambulance coming in.
You did walk out on the building, or
No, in floor. Yes.
Ahmedabad airport pen. London Gatwick airport ke dam. Isi Boeing 787 Dreamliner aeroplane arlo 230 passengers lapen 12 crew members do iglo. Laso a plane Kangjar pen 30 second a hit ke man linglang chulo. Pilot atumta thirik jokamat. Mayday, we are going down pulo.
Mayday. I'm in trouble. Mayday.
DJ Medical College along. Inoda doctor Ancho Bomahud. Lapen student atum hostel along do Bomahud. 625 feet and songpen man Air India aeroplane Nanklurailo Amat Ingbob Daklo. Aso a plane keklo ke 12 June Arni Baji 1:39 PM ahutsi keklo ek. Kisumana doctor atum lapen. Penangan na student atum aprandam igjuilo lapen areng kisu atum ta dopiklo. BJ Medical College along inut arusua doctor kaprek arni chutti aphan ahem kache damji pulo. Lapen komad neke London kapurhi damji aphansi ke damiglo. Komad neke tangka ka income damji aphansi ke damiglo. Bonzi tame aeroplane lele detlo apran damik jui nangkoklo. BJ Medical College along pen 28 John amoni detum apran damik jui lo lapen aeroplane arlo ke do atum 242 John amoni detum apran damik jui lo. Kadok away pen 270 John amoni detum apran damik jui lo. Rod pen nangeklo atum a dead body anta me cholablo a dead body ta pangthek tekthedet unsetlo. Ambulance lapen fire brigade atim atum aphan hang seraraglo. Sitame der pick anlo. Rap dunun edetlo. Black box longalo pusikar julong pilot atum ko pipima kaning jetekang kaso a box along recording dolablo. Lapen Tata Insurance company hin pen kithitang amonita porial atum aphan 1 crore PG pusi kache chaklo.